Hey, just real quick before we start the video, I am putting a sale on the Halloween sketchbooks that I have. This is a series of monster art and Halloween style art that I did. It's 24 pages of pure art that I've posted nowhere. It's really fun, and right now that is on sale on this channel only, okay? So the discount code when you type in is Halloween, and that's going to give you 25% off. I only have I think I have about a few of these left, so once these are gone, that's kind of it. So thank you so much. I appreciate all the support from everybody. Check it out.
Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw another ghost. It's fun, easy, super simple. It's only a 7-minute video, so stay all the way to the very end. It's going to be super easy and fun. So let's get started, okay? First thing I'm going to tell you to do is hit the subscribe button if you love Halloween. So basically when you subscribe right now, click the bell notification. When next year rolls around, like, you're going to start seeing notifications for our videos, and you know, it's going to be cool. You're like, oh, cool, what a bonus. All right, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with for the mouth. And it's going to have like a bit of like a circle, almost like a teardrop. Pulling along the edge back. Pulling down, back. Back over here, up. He's gonna woo. That's kind of what that's basically his mouth going woo. Up over here. Curving back. Gonna go over here with the eyes. And so the thing with the eyes is I really want it to kind of be old school looking, so I'm gonna draw this type of shape right here. Almost looks like a zero. This type of shape as well, it's also a zero. Gonna pull a line across here, fill it in. Curving in, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull all the way back here, up, down. What I'm gonna do here, as far as I'm gonna pull down a bit, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull a line out here with a hand. So I'm gonna go curve out, down, up, pulling in, out, down, up, right here. Excuse me. I'm going to continue along this line right here. I'm going to follow straight down. Down a little bit more, curve in. Curve in, curve in, curve in here. Last, I'm going to go up, out a little bit, up, out a little bit, up. It's going to connect there. That's a little bit more of an old school ghost, I think. I'm going to draw a thin line over here, just kind of showing the bending of the cloth. Line up here, curve over here, curve line here, front of the eye, curve line here, front of the eye, pull line up a little bit, maybe up a little bit here. You want to show that there's some cloth bending around. And down here, Excuse me. I'm gonna throw a maybe like long circle there. Just to show that he's floating, and it kind of gives him a lot more a character, you know. It's weird because it's not even on him, but that changes like a lot of this thing. The whole thing looks different. Now he's raised off the ground. Now he's, you know, pretty much in that ghost territory. I'm gonna take a blue marker now, and I'm gonna put it like right below the hand, pull back, under here, pull up. To kind of make it a little more 3D there. And 3D, just kind of make it look a little more realistic. Pull back. Well, realistic is not the word. I was going to say more detailed, pulling down here. Up. Line over here. Line over here. Up over here. So the light source is coming from above, and so I kind of want to make it look like, you know, the light source is on the bottom here. This is the shadow source. Kind of doing it all over here, and honestly what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it all the way along the bottom as well, because it gives it a little bit more of a 3D effect, you know, when we do this. And over here in the far hand as well. You could even do something else. This far hand you could put entirely, because this represents shadow, there's blue, you could put entirely in shadow right there, and maybe pull this out a little bit more because it makes it look better there. You can throw little lines here even on the top part. Line over here, up. Line over here. Maybe a little bit thicker of a line down here to make more of an edge. Anyways, that is it. That is a Halloween ghost. You know, we can throw another little color in here, just kind of give it some. Let's throw a little bit of orange here, maybe as a like a woo. So maybe we could throw like a line over here, like 3 lines, like woo. I don't know if you can even see that. It's not really. Let's do a thicker line here. Kind of looks like he's speaking, and he throws another color in there, gives it character. That's pretty much it. That's a Halloween ghost. Thank you so much. I will, you know, see you very, very soon in the next video. If you enjoyed that in any way, if that got any value from, if you got any value from this, share the video with someone that you think might like this, okay? On a forum, anything. It's Halloween season. Let's spread the Halloween cheer around everywhere. Talk to you later, and I will see you soon. Stay spooky.